I'm gonna be covered in avocado by the end of this, but I don't even mind. This is so good.
Hey, Hannah.
Hi. So excited to be in the tasty bedroom today.
So, Hannah, describe to me your dream breakfast.
My dream breakfast, I feel like, is super Los Angeles. It's avocado toast with poached eggs and a green smoothie. So the base of the avocado toast is your bread, and I love a nice, hearty, rustic slice of bread. I don't shy away from carbs. I love my carbs. Then you got your avocado. It's creamy. It goes well with any seasoning. It's so versatile. I mean, I'll just scoop them straight out of the skin plain. It's like one of my favorite foods. I managed to buy a house while still eating avocados, so I feel very blessed. And then poached eggs are just, they're so lovely. It's very soft and it just like, I don't know, it goes so well on everything. I like meals that hit every food group, or at least try to hit every food group, and I feel like that breakfast is super complete. And then with a green smoothie, that's just a staple in my house because I have one of the pickiest eaters on the planet, so I'm just always used to having a green smoothie every day because that's how I like shove vegetables in my kids. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, this is just, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. You did avocado roses. I feel like a princess right now. Can I start?
Yeah, dig right in. Is this what you're normally having for breakfast?
I eat this for breakfast almost never, because most mornings are so rushed in my house. We're getting 4 different people ready to go all different places that I usually don't even have breakfast. My breakfast is usually like 5 gulps of coffee. Maybe some water if I'm feeling like I have the extra time. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that is so good.
What are you making your kids for breakfast?
For my kids, they love pancakes. I can put anything in a pancake and they'll eat it. I recently have tried omitting sugar where I can from our food, so I make a lot of oatmeal that's just plain. And the kids do really like it. And then while they're eating, that's when I'm getting ready in the morning.
When you're not rushed in the mornings, do you enjoy cooking?
I love cooking. That's my love language. I love to cook for people. We just moved into our first home, and literally having a kitchen to host in that's like a nice sized kitchen has been everything to me. Because I want to cook for people. I want to make all sorts of cool food and just bring everybody together and show them that I love them. Oh, this is a good one.
Do you have a signature dish?
I have a few signature dishes. There was one Christmas that my mom decided she was hosting and she didn't want to do any traditional food. So I tried making chicken piccata and it turned out incredible. And I actually don't have a recipe for it. I just winged it, and so I've been winging it ever since. But that's something that I'm asked to make a lot. I also love to bake. For everyone's birthday, I'll bake them a cake. They get to choose whatever cake they want, and that's my treat to them.
Is there anything special you bake with your family?
My mom's an excellent baker, so we used to always make these spritz cookies. They're actually my mom's dad's recipe, and it's this really, really buttery cookie, and you use a cookie gun to squirt them out. That was just always our tradition for holidays when my grandpa was still alive, and it's something that we continue.
Is there a food you absolutely could not live without?
Cheese. And like, I love artisan cheese. Sometimes for my meals, I'll just grab a wedge of brie and like pull chunks off of it and eat it until I realize I've had way too much. But it's just, I can't quit it. I love cheese so much.
What is the craziest thing you've ever eaten?
Ooh, when I was in Mexico, I had cricket and worm taquitos. It was fine until I got a leg stuck in my tooth. There was like a cricket leg stuck in my tooth, and that's when I could like feel it and realize that there was a cricket in my mouth, but the rest of it tasted amazing.
If you could describe yourself as any food, what would you be?
I'd say I'm ice cream because I'm always cold and I'm just always there for you. You know, you had a bad day, call me. You know, you want some comfort, call me. You want to take me into bed and cuddle, call me. Don't actually.
So I'm going to ask you some rapid fire questions about what makes a good breakfast. Scrambled or fried?
Scrambled.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Apples or bananas?
Apples. Ew, bananas are disgusting.
Orange or grapefruit juice?
Orange.
One final question. Pancakes or waffles?
Pancakes.
Thank you so much for sitting down and having breakfast with us.
Oh, this was truly One of the most tremendous breakfasts I've ever had. I'm ready to like take this home with me and get into my bed and finish it up. This was amazing. I don't even care if my lipstick is all over my face right now. This is worth it. You guys want a bite? It's too much for me to handle right now.